Jenna Rowland makeup tutorial. Okay, so if Jenna Rowland calling, she's gonna need some concealer. Now this one's a little too light for me right now, so I'm gonna break into a different shade that's around my skin tone because I still want to use it a little bit on my face. So what we're gonna do is first you're gonna wet your sponge, or if you don't have a sponge, you can always use a brush. So I'll go do that. So basically what you're gonna do for the eyes is you're gonna pick like 3 different tones of pink, 1 peachy, 1 mauve, and 1 straight up berry. And you're just gonna like you know, put those in your crease. And you know what? That's pretty fun. And then you're gonna put on a nice shimmery-ish color on your lids, because you know what? Mattes look better on stage than shiny. And once you do that, you put on eyeliner. And after you put on eyeliner, you're gonna put on your lashes. And right now my lashes are touching my eyebrows, which are really hecking weird, like literally. I wish I could be recording this right now. Anyways, so after you do that, you're gonna do contour. Basic contour with some bronzer, whatever. You know what I mean? So you're just gonna do that, you know what I mean? And then for the face, you're gonna put blush. Now, take the most pigmented blush you got. Otherwise, use a pink eyeshadow if you don't got that. And basically, swirl a shoot ton in your brush and just pound it on your face. And you put it on your cheeks when you smile, like that little part where it just bulges out when you smile. And then you're gonna put it up where you're like, what's it called? Like your cheekbones are, where you're like highlighting usually would be. So you just put a crap ton of that on, then you swirl a little bit more, put it on your nose, a little on your forehead, whatever. Anywho, then you highlight, you know, basic highlighting. Don't do a really crazy highlighter because stage makeup. Also, on your eyes, you're gonna want to put red on the outer corner of where your eyes come together and your inner corner where your eyes come together. Like, you know, like from your upper lid to your lower lid. And this is just a basic dance thing that we do for stage. It just makes your eyes appear a lot bigger. And I use this cream white stuff, and you put that like in your inner corner, and then put a little bit on your nose, like a dot on your nose and a line on your nose, and blend that out with your finger until it looks like it wasn't even there in the first place. Haha. And then when you highlight the bridge of your nose, on your lips. And what I do with my lips is basically I had this red lipstick because I don't have pink lipstick because I just don't. So I had this red lipstick. So I just put a little bit on my lips and then I patted it out just to make it a little more natural looking, not like super red, so it didn't read red. And then you put a crap ton of gloss on there, and I suggest keeping the gloss as the prop. And yeah, that's basically Jenna Rowland's makeup tutorial in a nutshell. If you have any questions, please ask me.